Sex is not love. Going on dates is not love. Talking to someone 24/7 is not love. Staying up all night for someone is not love. Love is someone who sees the harsh side of you and still chooses to love you. It's someone who makes things happen for you when you can't. Someone who holds you and calms you down as tears pour out of your eyes. It's someone voicing all the good things about you when all you see is the bad. Love is someone who makes sure you're okay. Someone who thinks about you every night and every single day. Someone who's constantly pouring themselves into you. That's what love is. If you have a person like this in your life, tag them in the comments. God bless.